Hey everyone, I just wanted to take you along with me as I went to Dollar Tree today. This black and orange checkered scarf is new for my store. We've had the candy skull scarves, but the orange and black buffalo check was new. These items we did have already, and I saw this really cool mirror cling that you can put on a mirror and make it look like an old kind of haunted picture. And they only had the vampire, and then there's this creepy picture of the family where the faces shift. This area here, we already had those. And when I went over to look at the signs, this one caught my eye. This was the first time that I've seen this particular one, and it's for a cafe, like a haunted cafe, and I thought that was really cute, so I did pick that up. And this Friday is a Friday the 13th, so it seemed appropriate. All these other signs they've already had. I saw this chair cover with the skeleton, and then they also had a pumpkin. And those were the only two that I saw for the chair covers. And then they had there are these like really large cutouts where the arms and legs are movable. So they had this one, which is sort of a vampiress. Is that a word? And they also had the mummy. And then I found this pumpkin decorating kit. It's so hard to tell what's in there, but according to the picture, it makes your pumpkin look like a little pirate. Hadn't seen that before. Lots of treat bags. And then on the end display, I saw these really cute hopping toys, little jack-o'-lantern, the mummy. These are so adorable. The little blue eyeball, and then a Frankenstein. These are so cute. And, I guess Christmas is around the corner, sort of. So they have Christmas stuff out already. They had the regular mesh, and then this mesh caught my eye. This is the kind that you've seen at Hobby Lobby or Michael's before. I don't know if Dollar Tree has had this before with the snow effect, but they had it in 3 different colors that I could see, and I think I'm going to make my own personal Christmas wreath using that mesh this year. That's some of the ribbon that they had. I believe they had all of those ribbons last year, as well as the regular mesh ribbon. They had those, but I did find these burlap ribbons. These were some little ornaments that were sitting on top of it, but I was really interested in this burlap ribbon, this one with the words on it. Really, really cute. And then I think this one is my favorite with the holly berries and the leaves. Really, really pretty. These are things that they had last year as well. It's like the usual things that they carry, but these were new. And they're these little decorative glitter balls. They had them in silver, in red, and in gold. I think the video's a little deceptive, but these packages are like super tiny in person. And then they have their plastic ornaments, and they have these every year. Those are the ones that come 2 in a set. The same little decor jars that they've been carrying. The little mason jar ornaments, those sell out every year, the mason jar ornaments. And then there's some tinsel that they always have. And these are some wood cutouts of a snowflake, an ornament, and also a star. Those were the only 3 that I saw. And then they have these stencils, which I think are new for this year. And these are going to be great for DIYs, making your own signs, or whatever you want to use them for. But I thought it was a great addition to the Christmas collection. People in the store were complaining. They were like, we haven't even gotten to Thanksgiving yet. They already have the Christmas stuff out. But If you shop at Dollar Tree, you have to get the things while they're out because once they sell out, you may not see them again. These are some really pretty color your own ornaments. I just thought these were really beautiful. If you put some glue and glitter on those, they'll be ready to go. And they had the Christmas tree, the bell, and the stocking as well. And they have these cute little red trucks with the trees in the back. And I think these felt stickers are so cute. Even if you're not going to DIY them, let me tell you what you should do. You should use these to close the envelope on your Christmas cards. They would be so cute. You probably have to hand deliver them. I don't know how well they would hold up in the mail, but I think that would be so cute. They also have these little red buckets. They usually always have these seasonally in the seasonal colors. And then over in this corner was all the color your own ornaments. Then I went over to the light section and found these headlamps. And they come in all these different colors. Great for camping or working on a car. And then they have floral wires in all of these gorgeous colors. That blue is just beautiful. And of course, they're well stocked on their bling wrap. And then I found these gold trimmed candle holders. It's like a frosted glass with a gold rim. And then over in the stationery section, I found these really cute pencils. They have all of these inspiring sayings on them. And those would be really great to give any student. And then I found these safety reflective tapes, and it's 4 pieces in here, 2 of each color, and you could just use them for whatever you need them for. I found this in the medicine aisle, the emergency, and there's 2 in here. I only saw the orange flavor. And then in the same aisle, I found these hand warmers and also toe warmers. And you may not need them just yet, but I'm pretty sure for a lot of the country, these are going to come in handy. Over in the crafting section, I found this tube confetti, and there were 3 different kinds, and you actually get quite a lot of it in these packets. Up at the top, you'll see the green, red, and blue, and then they have these squeeze bottles again. My Dollar Tree had sold out of them, so they're back. Packaging is a little different, but they're there. And they had these little adhesive gems, the hearts. They also had them in purple, red, and pink, and the pink would be great to use in any upcoming crafts for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And then I saw these squishy toys, and I couldn't really tell what they were. It just looked like a big squishy toy. And then as I picked them up and looked at them, especially the red one, I realized that it was fruit. So this one is a little strawberry. And so I tried to figure out what the other ones were. I couldn't figure out what this green one was. If anybody knows what it is, drop a comment below and let me know. But then I realized that this yellow one was a banana. So these are some of the Barbie fashion tops that were at my Dollar Tree. My favorite is the Bugs Bunny face, or the faces of Bugs Bunny all over. This one right here, so cute. And Teen Titans. They also had this cooking set with bacon and eggs and a little waffle maker and skillet. And they had one more. This one was for pasta and meatballs, spaghetti and meatballs, I guess. Really cute. And then this one was adorable. It's her little dog. It has a bone, a frisbee, a collar, and a little food dish with a Barbie emblem in it. Cute little dog inside. And then I went over to the gift bag section. I recently went to a baby shower and I did get the gift bag from Dollar Tree. So I just wandered back over here to see what new gift bags they had, and they had quite a few. So I'm just showing you guys one of the walls where they have the gift bags, and then this one caught my eye. I'm gonna walk over to it right now because it was so shimmery and iridescent. It's a little mermaid, magical birthday wishes. Look how pretty that is. And then of course on the other side, it's just a plain image. And here are a few more bags, birthdays, weddings. There's even one with a little doggy on it. Looks like Lassie. Over by the registers, they brought back these little pom-poms for breast cancer awareness in October. And then right when I was going to check out, I found these cute little figurines, a pug with a unicorn horn and angel wings. And they also had a penguin. And those were the only two kind that I saw, the penguin and the pug. I don't know what they mean. I've never seen anything like that. But then I saw these little calendars, and they had a French bulldog. It comes with a little stand that you see right there on the bottom right. They had one for a corgi. And then, of course, they had a pug. Look how cute these are. They're so adorable. And not to leave the felines out, they also had a cat. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.